So hello and welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. As you all know, I've been having some wiring issues, which I still have, but on the dyno, my voltage was dropping below, I think it was 12, 11, I think it was dropping below 11. So there's definitely some wiring issue on the dyno after 6,000 RPM, voltage dropped completely, well, not completely but drastically. Today I decided to go replace the alternator belt. I think it's the serpentine belt. I replaced that because I realized while I was driving the belt's making a very squeaky noise, which means the belt is slipping, so that could have even led to I was losing voltage. But yeah, I changed the belt. I checked with the multimeter, it's running on 14.6, so the voltage is quite high and well, not high, but where it's supposed to be, and I revved it to like past 6. Voltage hasn't dropped, so I'm actually gonna install a voltage meter that I got over here. So we're gonna install this quickly. Should be a quick, easy install. So yeah, let's get to it. So I plan to put it in here, right next to in the square part over there, right next to the lighter. So I'm gonna drill that out. I don't know if you can see, but I've like made some I scribed some marks. There's like a slight ring. So I'm gonna drill and install the voltmeter. It's gonna be like right there. So that's gonna be cool. So I gotta drop this whole bottom section of the dash under the steering. So I'm gonna get to that quickly, and then we can start drilling. So we've managed to get it all out. So let's go on inside and see what we can do. Let's customize this thing. Just gotta get the drills and things quickly, and then start drilling. So now that I'm actually inside, I realized that this thing can actually clip out. No need to touch anything, so this thing's quite dirty, I know. I'll just wipe it down. But there are clips there. So this thing just clip out. And then wabam. I don't know if you guys can see where the ring is. I just use the voltmeter as a template to kind of get that. So no more or less way to drill. Come on, this thing not focusing. Can you see it there? That's what I'm going to be drilling out. Well, not the same circumference, maybe a bit smaller. But yeah, let's go get the tools. So all the tools are sorted. Yeah, so I'm gonna start gradually and then work my way up to the bigger sizes. So I can first get the pilot hole, and it'll be much easier to drill from there. And another thing is, you shouldn't probably be wearing sluffies, probably should be wearing safety boots and also wear safety goggles. Not that I think it's necessary, because I mean it's plastic, but still do. So my part is done. I have given you guys fair warning. So let's get to the drilling. So everything is done. I know there's the hole. It's not the best hole, but I mean it's okay. Yeah, it's alright. The thing fits. So this will go snug in there. So once I drilled all the holes, I took my junior axle blade out. And I just got in between the holes and I sawed through into each other. And then once I pushed the center out, I used my round file and I just filed it until it actually fit in there. Well, I actually didn't. I filed it a bit too small, so that when I have to force it in, so it doesn't have to, so it won't come out or anything, because this is threaded. I think this is supposed to go in by your lighter socket, and you my car, but I don't want to use that. I still want to keep that because I use it. And yeah, so I made this a bit undersized so I can just press this in nicely and it fits snug. So let's push it in there quickly. Let's get all this stuff in. Let's see if you can see it, guys. It's gonna fit like that. I think we change it. Yeah, I don't think it matters which way it goes, but yeah, I think this way. Just put it in there. Just need to wiggle it. See that nicely it's clipping in. Oh, if that's not perfect, then I don't know, guys. That looks like it's factory. OEM plus. I must say I'm impressed with my work there. It's quite center. So yeah, let's go and put it back in the dash and connect it up. I know I'm a bit agterstevoor, but what I suggest is actually we should test this thing before we put it in. Well, I've tested it already, so I know it works, but I'm just gonna test it again to show you guys that it actually works. Fuck, I'm not gonna open my bonnet now. So all you need to do is get a nice piece of wire, hook it up at the back. You'll see there's a positive and a negative terminal. I don't know if you guys can see there, but yeah, I'm gonna hook it up and then just test it to show you guys. Well, not to show you, but I should have done this first. So I'm just telling you guys what you should do before you actually start stripping and cutting up your damn dashboard. First test the stuff, especially the electrical stuff, because it's pointless you connect to everything and the thing doesn't even work. Not bad. There we are. So it works. So we can hook this thing up. It actually looks quite cool in there. So look even better when it's in the car. So it works. Let's go hook it up. So okay, excuse all these wires. So this is where I actually wanted to connect it to. Here's the adapter to the lighter. It gives it power, so I want to actually tap in here onto this positive and connect the wire onto there, and then I can just earth it anywhere on the body. Because if I use this positive here, it already has a fuse on. Oh, what's that damn noise? So it already has a fuse, so I have to put my own fuse on. So then you're already safe. What I do now is check which one is the positive. Put my ignition on and check which one is positive. Purple. Magic. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but we'll just zoom in. You can get a better. I know it's not the best job. I'm not the electrician. I'm just catching my own shit. But I can't get this camera angle right. If you see there, come on. If you see there, I just open it up a bit. So what I'm going to do is take the positive of the voltmeter and put it on there, because there is current coming through there. And then I'll just put the earth on this nut over there. And then that voltmeter should work. It's as simple as that, people. The current, oof, yeah. Wait, the first to see which one is the positive wire. Put it on, so it's the one bottom. Brand. There you go, that's on. So if I should earth it, this thing should go on. Let's see if we can find the earth. And that's gonna be my earth. How gevaarlijk is that? 12.1. It should be on 14. There we go. That looks about right. So I'm happy with the way it's showing now. Hopefully this thing goes through here. Oh wait, it does go through. Okay, but before we do this, oh fuck, need to first connect this thing. Seems about straight.
Yep.
That's fine. So it's quite snugly in there. Should work now. There, they look. That's in. I think it looks quite cool. And there you have it, people. That's how you fit a voltmeter. Easy peasy. So guys, it's not that difficult to fit the voltmeter. All I did was I tapped into my lighter's main supply, and then I just took for my earth, I just put it against the bolt against the chassis, and voila, there it works. Pretty simple. I went to go and custom place to put it, so I didn't want to. Well, this thing's supposed to tap into your lighter socket. You're supposed to take the socket out and that thing screws because it has a thread at the back, so that will screw into where the lighter is supposed to go. But I use my lighter, so I didn't want to get rid of it, so I decided to go another route and go and drill into my dashboard. But it works. So yeah, we've come to the end of my vlog. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Would help a lot.
Guys, like and subscribe to Rice Life.
Rice Life.
Rice Life SA. Woo woo!
Join the fan band, peeps.
Join people, please.